Hello. So I'm back again, and I'll be taking you deeper into the twin flame journey, and hope my story is helping you. And I would love to hear back from you what exactly you want to know more about it. I'm sharing from my journey, and you may resonate with it, or maybe you are having your own love story. Know that your love story is special to you, and you have to make your love story happen. That's your harmonious union journey. So I am on my path to make my love story happen. Okay. And today I'm going to share the topic is like when nothing is working out. It happens, most of the time is like you constantly work on yourself, and then you see nothing is happening externally. Like constantly you are doing the inner work, but you will see like your living situation is not improving, and also your twin flame is not responding back. So why that happens, in which situation you will hit this kind of thing. And when you don't see this kind of external validation, then you get frustrated. What is this? Like, why am I doing all this thing and there is nothing coming out? So in that situation, are you going to give up? So in case you are doing that, that means there is a tendency within you, or that is a karmic cycle. Actually, it's a karmic cycle of giving up. Okay, somewhere deep within you believe that failure is true. Okay, so when you believe that failure is true, then giving up becomes very natural. Okay, so you need to see the universe is not designed to fail. Okay, so all that story that you have heard about experience, like in 2000, in the year 2000 the world is going to end, or there will be some spaceship attack, alien will come and grab the universe. So all those stories have created its space in your mind. Like some way everything is going to collapse, and you are actually attaching your fear into that, and you are trying to also cope into or fall into the trap that failure is real. Okay, no, but the truth is when you are actually working towards something, like maybe initially there will be some trial, and through all the trial you are learning only. Okay, so through all the trials you will learn something new about you, you will discover something new about you. So it is okay to move ahead and come to a point that the failure is not true. When you are putting in the effort, you are putting in the karma, you are going to get the result. And you are putting, and when you are on a spiritual path, putting this karma in a right way, in a way that is full of integrity, it is guaranteed that you are going to get your result. Because God, if you see, universe never abandons your effort. It will always return back the effort that you have put in. Maybe at times you will see that you are putting the effort, things are not working out, so that means you are accumulating that energy. It's like you are banking that energy of inputs, and then it will gradually take the momentum, and all of a sudden you will see, like uh, everything will fall in. It's like said, like there will be a thunderstorm, and you will get everything boom boom boom, everything is start to happen. So in spirituality we call that, when you are like just doing the inner work and things are not happening, you start feeling heavy. So we call that as a, you are hitting a wall, like on the wall you are just hitting it, and you are not able to break that energy within you, that feels so heavy that it becomes difficult for you throughout your day also, and take you back to the point that you believe that nothing is working out. But at that moment, what you need to do, are you really going to give up, or you are going to trust in God and surrender? It is easy, always choose the easy way, always choose the way that is peaceful to you. You don't have to do all the work, you are partnering with God. So when you are hitting that wall, it is always good surrender. There is a difference between giving up and surrender. Okay, giving up means, you are like totally disconnecting with it, you don't want it, mentally you are like out of it. But surrendering is like you are mentally sure that yes, I choose my harmonious union, but you will stop putting so much effort into it. Okay, like you will not pass your days in just waiting for what is going to happen, or just pass your days looking around your twin flame. You will surrender that and engage in some creative activity. Okay, that's exactly is the right way. Like you can engage yourself in the spiritual activity that shows or that gives the message to universe that yes, I am still committed, I'm still committed, I'm not giving up here. But now I don't want to do the work, I want God, now you do the work. Okay, it is always good to do that rather than leaving everything behind and then just engaging in something and just staying in the frustrated world, and then telling everyone that this is not working, there is no truth about it, and all those false things spreading. That's not going to help you, because you are actually getting into misalignment, and you are attracting people around you who are in misalignment. Okay, so it is always good that you stay in alignment and stay with people who are in that vibration. Okay, and at each point of time there will be something that you can always give to the universe. So the more you give, you stay in that spiritual space, you are going to get that return always, because it is a simple law of karma. You put in your action, you will get that result if you stay in that vibration always. Okay, so there is nothing that will feel like it's like a absolute breakdown, like I don't want to do, and at times it feels like like there is nothing for me in this world, I just want to die. That situation also happens. Okay, but don't choose death. You don't have to choose death when you are on a path of unconditional love. And death doesn't always mean that you die. Death also means that the constructive energy that you have been putting on into this path, you just sacrifice everything and then go and engage with something. That means you are giving a signal to universe that I don't deserve. Okay, it is like I don't deserve, and then when you lose on that energy, you cannot attract that energy or that equal response within your life, right? That's simple law of attraction. That's why it is always, it may look hard that I am only doing the inner work and nothing externally is happening. In that moment, rather than seeking that validation and holding on to the expectation, it is always good that you surrender that to God and stay in love. You just have to stay in love, and you can engage yourself in some spiritual work. You can volunteer in some of the spiritual group, and keep growing, because one thing is not happening at this moment, that doesn't mean that you stop growing on your soul level, right? Because this journey is all about growing on a soul level. You are ascending, so that work doesn't stop because something phenomenal in your twin flame journey is not happening. You can still keep going and do your spiritual work by engaging in some voluntary activity, or by engaging in some life purpose activity, or it is always recommended, if you want to just relax, then engage into more self love. Do something that you just want to do, even if nothing is paying back to you. So just stay in that vibration of feeling happy, joy and love, and surrender and trust. The more you surrender and trust, God is going to return back that to you always. So choose unconditional love, choose your harmonious twin flame union. Thank you.